This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Helen Baron. Welcome home to Kings Point, the coveted maintenance-free lifestyle with all the amenities you could possibly use and enjoy. Golf, pools, clubhouses, state-of-the-art fitness center, too many to list. Kings Point is just a short drive to Clearwater and the best beaches in Florida. Don't forget Mickey is just a few hours away. This home comes with a Kings Point warranty that is being gifted to the new owners, which expires on February 28, 2023. For more information, review the details below or contact Helen Baron at 954-693-0100.